Australia has taken a bold step that many countries are still only talking about. The big question is, should children be on social media? Australia has decided the answer is no. Last year, they passed a new law, and from December 10th this year, it officially comes into effect. According to this law, all children under the age of 16 inches Australia will be completely banned from using social media. Their existing accounts will be shut down and new accounts will be blocked right at the sign up stage. This ban applies to almost every major platform: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, X, YouTube, Reddit, Threads, Twitch, and Kick. However, apps like WhatsApp and Pinterest are excluded because they don't function like typical social networks. They don't have public feeds or algorithm driven content, so the government considers them safer. So, why is Australia doing this? The data is shocking. 96% of Australian children aged 10 to 15 use social media. 70% have seen harmful content. More than half have been cyberbullied. Many have come across self harm videos, eating disorder content, and violent material. The government says this is no longer just a tech issue, it's a mental health and safety issue. What's important is that the responsibility to enforce this law is on the social media companies, not parents. If platforms fail to stop underage users, they can be fined up to 32 million US dollars. To make this work, companies must use strong age verification systems like facial age estimation, video selfies, government ID checks, and AI that guesses age from online behavior. Experts say these tools are not perfect, and some users may slip through, but they're still required. Tech companies argue that this ban may not fully protect children and could create new privacy risks. Some have even considered legal action, but despite their concerns, they must comply. Meta has already started flagging accounts and will begin removing underage users. Now, the world is watching. Will this ban actually keep children safe? Some believe it will, others say children may simply find other, even more dangerous corners of the internet. But one thing is clear: Australia is the first country to go this far, and the results of this experiment could influence policies around the world.